Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best pedestal drawers is probably one of the most underrated laundry room upgrades, offering a blend of convenience and functionality that can transform your washing experience. These pedestals not only elevate your washer and dryer to a more comfortable height, reducing the need to bend over, but also provide valuable storage space for laundry essentials. In this video, we'll dive into the top pedestal drawers, helping you find the perfect match for your laundry setup. Number 5. Kiss Core 29-inch Washer Dryer Stacking Kit. Tired of cluttered laundry spaces? This stacking kit is designed to maximize your space. It allows you to stack your dryer on top of your washing machine, creating a more organized living area. This kit is universally compatible with various washer and dryer sizes. It's adjustable to fit 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, and 24-inch models. Be sure to measure your appliances before ordering. The kit features a convenient pull-out drying rack. Made from durable materials, it provides a stable surface for your delicates. It's a practical addition for your laundry needs. Installation is a breeze, with no tools required. Simply place the kit between your appliances, make adjustments, and secure it with the included ratchet straps. Detailed instructions are provided. This stacking kit is suitable for many popular brands. It works with Whirlpool, GE, Samsung, LG, and more. It's a versatile solution for your laundry setup. What we like? This stacking kit features a convenient pull-out drying rack, perfect for delicate items. It's universally compatible with various washer and dryer sizes, making it a versatile choice. If you have limited space and need a drying solution, this is the perfect addition to your laundry setup. It will make your laundry day much easier. What people say? The adjustable design is great because it works with multiple sizes, and I had no problem setting it up for my 29-inch units. Everything fits snugly, and the ratchet strap provides extra stability so I don't have to worry about movement or shifting while the machines are running. One feature I really like is the pull-out drying rack. It's a smart addition and comes in handy for laying out smaller items that I don't want to put in the dryer. The rack slides in and out smoothly and tucks away neatly when not in use, so it doesn't take up any extra space. This kit works exactly as advertised. It's adjustable to fit many different washer and dryer brands and sizes, making it very versatile. Number 4. Easy Laundry Pedestal, Universal Fit, Black Steel. Tired of bending over? This pedestal lifts your washer or dryer to a comfortable height. It reduces back strain, making laundry day easier and more enjoyable. Built with robust alloy steel, this stand can hold up to 800 pounds. It's compatible with major brands, providing a stable and secure base for your appliances. Installation is quick and easy with its intuitive design. You'll save time and effort, and have your appliances securely in place in no time. Designed for 29-inch machines, it fits seamlessly into most laundry spaces. Its sleek black finish complements any decor, adding both style and function to your home. It comes equipped with a drain pan and hose, protecting your floors from leaks. This provides an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind. What we like? This pedestal elevates your machines to a comfortable height, reducing strain. It boasts an impressive weight capacity, ensuring stability. If you're looking to protect your floors from leaks and improve your posture, this is the ideal choice. It offers both convenience and peace of mind. What people say? This thing is built like a tank. Made of sturdy steel and capable of holding up to 700 pounds, it's been a perfect match for our Samsung washer-dryer combo, which weighs over 300 pounds. I was worried about shaking or wobbling during those high-speed spin cycles, but the adjustable feet keep it perfectly level and rock solid. No vibrations, no annoying noise. The bottom storage space is perfect for sliding in a laundry basket. The Easy Laundry Pedestal stand has been a game-changer for our new washer and dryer. As senior citizens, the 18 height makes a huge difference. No more deep bending, and our backs feel so much better at laundry time. The stand feels extremely sturdy, and our machines stay put, even on heavy spin cycles. Number 3. Samsung We 272NC Laundry Riser. Tired of bending over to load and unload your laundry? This Samsung riser lifts your washer and dryer, making it easier on your back. It provides a more comfortable experience. This riser is designed to meet ADA standards when paired with a compatible Samsung washer or dryer. It ensures accessibility and convenience for everyone. This is a thoughtful design. The riser measures 27 inches wide, 6 inches high, and 29.6 inches deep. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your existing laundry setup. It provides a stable base for your appliances. With a net weight of 168 pounds, this riser is built tough to support your appliances. It's designed for continuous use, providing long-lasting durability. You can rely on it. Samsung has been a trusted name in home appliances for years. This riser is built with the same quality and reliability you expect. It's a name you can trust. What we like. This Samsung pedestal is ADA compliant, making it accessible for everyone. It raises your machines by 6 inches, improving accessibility. If you need a reliable and accessible solution from a trusted brand, this is the one for you. It's designed to make your laundry experience smoother. What people say. The feet of the dryer fit right into the cushion holes that help combat any vibration in your washer or dryer. The 6-inch height from the pedestal makes it so much easier to get your clothes in and out of the dryer or washer. Both of the pedestals were arrived intact and undamaged and are doing their jobs. Number 2. Samsung W402NW 27-inch washer-dryer pedestal stand. Tired of bending over to load and unload your laundry? This pedestal raises your washer or dryer, making it easier on your back. It provides a more comfortable experience. Keep your laundry essentials organized and within reach. The built-in storage drawer provides a convenient space for detergent, fabric softener, and more. It helps keep your laundry area neat and tidy. Enhance your laundry setup with 2 pedestals. Placing them side by side not only elevates your appliances but also adds extra storage space. This creates a more functional and stylish laundry room. This 27-inch pedestal is designed to perfectly fit your Samsung 27-inch front-load washer and dryer. It ensures a seamless and secure fit. You can be confident in its compatibility. The pedestal measures 27 inches wide, 14.2 inches high, and 28.1 inches deep, and weighs 36.6 pounds. It's designed to provide stability and support for your appliances. It's a practical and functional addition to your laundry room. Samsung has a long-standing reputation for quality and reliability in home appliances. You can trust this product to provide years of dependable service. It's a name you can rely on. What we like. This pedestal includes a convenient storage drawer to keep your laundry essentials organized. It lifts your machines for easier loading and unloading. If you want to maximize your laundry space and keep everything tidy, this pedestal is perfect. It combines functionality with a sleek design. What people say. The pedestals are well built and sturdy. The drawers are spacious and glide smoothly. The design matches the washer and dryer perfectly. Number 1. Samsung W402NEA3 washer-dryer pedestal stand. This pedestal stand lifts your washer or dryer, making loading and unloading easier. It raises the appliance over a foot off the ground, saving your back. The built-in storage drawer keeps your laundry essentials organized. You can store detergent, fabric softener, and more, all in one convenient place. Order 2 pedestals to create a cohesive look in your laundry room. Place them side by side for a streamlined setup and easy access to your supplies. This 27-inch pedestal is designed to fit Samsung 27-inch front-load washers and dryers. It's a perfect match for your existing appliances. The pedestal measures 27 inches wide, 14.2 inches high, and 28.1 inches deep. It weighs 36.6 pounds and is designed to be both functional and stylish. Samsung has been a trusted name in home appliances for years. You can rely on the quality and durability of this product. What we like. This pedestal includes a convenient storage drawer to keep your laundry essentials organized. It lifts your machines for easier loading and unloading. If you want to maximize your laundry space and keep everything tidy, this pedestal is perfect. It combines functionality with a sleek design. What people say. The pedestals are well built and sturdy. The drawers are spacious and glide smoothly. They elevate the washer and dryer to a comfortable height, making loading and unloading easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.